Hello guys, welcome to Nova Dialer. Today I will be showing you how to set up message campaign. First thing you want to do is to log in your account. Alright, enter your account details here. Password. Okay. After you enter your password, you will go to the dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, you want to select this option, Auto Dialer. After that, you want to select this option here, which is Log In Now. So it's Auto Dialer Log In Now. All right. Now you want to re-enter your account details. All right, password. All right, and you want to log in again. All right, now from here, what you will do, you will select campaign. All right, ensure that you're on this option, campaign management. Then you want to select add new. All right, for this demonstration, we will create message campaign. All right, message campaign is the same thing as a ringless voicemail drop. So this is the campaign we will create, message campaign. All right, we want to start off by giving our campaign a name. In this case, we will name this one Nova Test. All right, next thing you want to do is to select your contact, the contact you will be dialing. All right, next thing you want to do is to select your caller ID here. I will just select this one. All right, next thing you want to do, where you have message recording, ensure that you select VMD. That's voicemail drop message, so ensure that you select that message. All right, on this option where you have action on AMD, ensure that you enable this option and you have it on leave message. All right, you will select this message. That's the VMD message for this option. Also, this message is the message that will be left on the client's answering machine. All right, so within their voicemail box or their voicemail machine, this is the message that will be left. So you ensure that you select the VMD message here. All right. Next thing you want to do is select the amount of channels that you would need for this particular campaign. All right. On this account, we have 10. All right, but you could select the amount that you need if you need 5. All right, but for the demonstration, we will just leave it at 10. All right, channel will be varies on your account. So you could adjust channel limit or channel amount to the amount that you have on your account. The next thing you want to do is start campaign immediately. What this will do, once you have it on this option and you select save, campaign will be started automatically immediately. Okay, so the next option we could use, we have a next option here. We could set like a schedule for within the week that you could set it to start at a specific time within the week. All right, you could also schedule it by date and time. Okay, you want to select the time here and you could select the date here. All right, now the next option would be stopping the campaign. You could set a time for the campaign to stop. But for this demonstration, we will just leave it on completion. So this campaign would stop on completion and it would start immediately once we select save. So we're going to go back up, select save. All right, as you can see, the campaign is currently initializing, meaning it's basically fetching your contact details so the campaign could start run. All right. Now we have this option here, which is monitor. We have an option here, which is stop. and we have an option here to edit. And we also have a next option over here, which is results. We will circle back to this later. All right, now, if you want to edit the campaign while it's running, please ensure that you stop the campaign before editing. All right, after you edit, you will select the save option and the campaign will basically start. All right, now, as you can see, we have already called it 14 numbers out of 632. All right, if we should select monitor, all right, you can see that we have a couple answered calls. We have some that basically failed it. All right, as you can see, the numbers that are being called, it is here. Clients' names are over here. All right, total ring time is here. Answer time is here, like how long the call was answered for. Now, if we should go back, all right, what we're going to do, we're just going to stop this. We're going to select result. All right, but just to let you know, you do not have to stop the campaign to select a result option. All right? No. We have the answer option, we have failed, we have busy, we have no answer, congestion, and we have unknown. System will automatically call back these numbers within 20 minutes time. System would automatically call these to ensure that the persons who are really busy are why they didn't answer. The system will automatically recall these. Now, if you should select the answer option, you will get this table where you have their contact numbers, their name, the time, and so on and so forth. Now, if you should select call details now, you will get this option to play the message. You could play this to hear the client's reaction, all right, of what they were saying when they received the message, and so forth. So this will basically show you how well your leads data is basically performing. If we should go back to campaign now, you will see that the campaign is currently stopped. All right, if we should edit now, all right, make a change, select a different caller ID, or maybe even change the channels or something. We're going to put 8. If we should go back and save this, all right, once we select start, the adjustment that we made is successful. All right, so we're going to have 8 channels running now with a new caller ID as we just switched it a moment ago. As you can see, 8 channels is not running as we made the change, and 34 numbers have already been called. And as I said, you could also do the result while the campaign is basically running. All right, as you could see, you could check that. We could also come back here, do this, and play this if we want. All right. So basically, that's it. Guys, hope this video was helpful, and thanks again for watching.